Bang. What's up, player? Friday. Today's Monday, which we had off, but from doing Friday's review. Um, Closed with 175 bucks on Friday. Thankfully, because we had 3 red days in a row. But very happy with Friday. Did go red early on again. Okay, did go red early on, and I was like, I am gonna be so incredibly hands off until like I can catch the groove of something, because the past 3 days I struggled off open and felt like I definitely tried to was overconfident trying to trade these stocks that I wasn't doing well on. So I was like, if something comes up, which I'm sure there will be, that I can somewhat get a groove of, cool. If not, I'm not going to give back a bunch of money because I'm not in a position where I can be taking more chances and have another one of these red bars. So thankfully, we ended up green, 175 bucks, 1.76 profit factor, and all of the money came from PMAX, which was a penny. Um, Biggest winner, only 60. Yeah, I don't know if I have the PMAX trades on recording, but yeah, I just kind of wanted to look at the tape in preparation for tomorrow and get my eyes adjusted and everything. Just get some screen time in, so I don't know how much I'll have to say about a lot of these trades, but this is more just me trying to get some screen time before tomorrow.
LTRYM much.
Definitely could have stayed on that IMNN for a second, at least for the second candle to come in. I think I do go to it, which right now I think would be a perfect opportunity if it holds up. Oh, nope, it's shit. That's a late ad. I should have hopped in here. I tried it the first time right there when it looked like they were holding 18, then they stopped it right at 20. And then they held 18 again, and then actually got over that 20 level. And right here is where I should be hopping in instead of waiting for the actual 25 level.
Oh. Dude.
Just hold 18 again. Should be taking the chance here and adding here this time, but I didn't. And that could have been 10 cents. I wasn't in a position where I felt any type of comfortable taking
I was about to
any
switch
more
off the
risk than I had to.
fucking break it.
I was not playing, but I was trading way more defensive on Friday than I usually would be because of the back-to-back red days. the lack of confidence that gave. Through 50 though, unless we get a big pullback here. Ooh,
What the fuck? Go, break it.
it's just like weird movement.
Yep, as I on cue. Oh,
Everything
it
just
does.
weaker than
Oh my god.
you'd want it to be,
I'm
or you'd
trolling,
expect it
so
to be.
I can't read this.
I am, and it just goes straight up out of nowhere. I think it did this a few times on Friday. It just looked like it's just dying and selling off. Then it would just one or two candles straight up into a halt.
Like, I
I
wish
think
I
it
had.
did it like twice.
I mean, LTRY can get a little bounce.
This looks pretty good. Kind of random buy high there, just hoping for a continue through 59.
I think they just gave me a crypto coin in my scanner.
There's through 59. Should be breaking 60 there, so I sell. That's very. That was. I'm happy with that one.
I think they just gave me a crypto coin in my scanner.
He's gonna break 60. That's such a weird break.
Oh
It
my
was
god,
weak
I took
anyway,
that
though.
for a lot. That they're actually gonna go.
Look like that might be the top for a little bit. Could do the same thing it did on 2 candles ago too, though. Look like it's selling off hard and then come right back up. So still keep an eye on it just in case of that. And this, it looked like it was actually real sell-off, so I'm just waiting for this unhalt on IMNN. Right here. Halted at 39, opened a lot lower. Try to get. That's just unfortunate there.
Oh shit.
It halted. Excuse me. Halted at 39. And halts here at like 28 level. I should say like around 30. Back through 30, I'm thinking, oh shit, we're gonna send this bitch alley back up through 39, maybe into another halt up. But instead, it's just straight back down after I buy. In 32 out 28. It's a quick 4-cent loser there.
Thought they were gonna rip it back.
Just a little bit of a rejection. Failed breakout, I guess.
Halt.
But I'm
Alright,
just
I'll
still
take that.
floating around the break-even
It's our
level.
only fucking
Just
option.
tiny red, like 1 or 2 trades. Not letting anything get out of hand. Not taking too big of a risk. Just feeling out the day. Seeing where I might be able to make some money. And mainly just focusing on not losing. Back to 43 and maybe make a push towards high. This candle could close like this, that'd be awesome. Does close green. Get in on that new candle with some buyers back through 40 and 43. Sell because it should have teleported through 43 there with how this one's moving. Pretty happy with that one. Good reactions.
Teleport through 43.
Even why it said right there, teleport through 43. They're holding it high here, but just kind of guessing game whether they're going to teleport up right here or do some weird shit like that.
Dollar profit on the day.
Rejection.
He says it twice. Nope, he says it twice.
No.
I got the dope in my dick.
I think I was super passive for a while when there wasn't anything good going. Oh, took a trade right here. God, what the fuck are these candles? They actually hold it high that time. Yuck, this is...
Why'd I sell? I should just...
This price action is so bad.
No, oh my...
This candle alert actually... Oh, it did actually close up. Decent sign it could be going for a break here if we continue to hold high. It's looking good. I should add it earlier probably. It's a good sell. Take it for a half% loss instead of multiple cents. Still just holding down that 35 area.
Bless you.
Hold it, buyers. Stuck right there though. More to see it. Immediately keep going with how this thing's moving. Could be down 3 cents really fast, so just quick in and outs. Oh, took a big loss here. Let's see. Was it necessary? Did we... They really look like they're soaking 31 there. Buyers come in. Oh, that's disgusting. I mean, I just shouldn't be trading the stock, but so I can't really complain about that. But soak 31 super hard right here. Doesn't break down. Buyers come in, and then just teleports down to 29.
Asshole.
And then I think that's when I was like fully. Let's see. I think after that I was like fully in defense mode. Maybe 1 or 2 more trades, and I was like hands up. Wait for something better. Fuck this. Nah, like might be like a little revenge trade, trying to get back a few cents. I take this dip in a VWAP maybe. VWAP's 23. I also double bottom and VWAP. That's a great spot to be getting in. So I get in as low as possible right there, 24. Bang, sell for 4 cents profit.
Yeah, I'm taking profit.
Yeah, I'm just taking as much profit as it gives me. I'm not trying to force anything big, so Very happy with that trade for sure. Double bottom and view up right there. It's a good look. I think that's, I'm just sitting here break even. I'm just chilling after that. Oh, was that PMAX? Hold up. Oh, NBTS, just going straight up. Let's see these first few trades. 68's previous candle. Looking for it to just keep chugging up, just ride this trend. See where it holds, get in and ride it as far as it wants to go up. Get in there where it holds. Boom, take the profit. Nice. Trading super low shares on this, not sure why. Probably just because I just came over to it, but I should be sizing it up a little bit here. Now seeing that this thing's, yeah, kind of a choker. Thinking we might continue the trend here, but that is kind of a big topping tail. But it goes anyway. Not wanting to get through 74 there. Doesn't stop 75. Still holds up. The new candle opening here. Might get a push through 75. Wanted to see this candle kind of try to go green,
Low from yesterday.
and then get in for the 75. If it does through 73, I'd probably get in here.
I am in.
Candle's about to close. Oh, got through.
I'm gonna go straight back up.
Candle. Continue through 75. And it just sits there. Doesn't want to break it. Should just be in and holding this. Look at this fucking chart. I don't know why I'm trying to like scalp 1 cent off this thing at a time. 388. Yeah, I should be in just riding this thing to the top because clearly I'm losing a few bucks on this as it's going up. That's crazy. Oh, here's PMAX. Oh, let's go. Maybe the trades are on here. This one was trading a lot more, with a little bit more strength for sure. A lot easier. Because when it looked like it was going to go, it would actually go most of the time rather than having a bunch of fake outs and rejections. So. Not too spready too. It was a little wild to start, and then was able to scalp it pretty easily. Let's see this. Can it go green? Back through 59 and 60. Bang. Candle close, big bottoming tail. We just need back through 59 and 60. Get in for it here with the new candle and buyers.
Fuck.
62 now. Dang, held it hard right there. 05. 07, they held that time I get in there for the 62 break. Insta sell, I didn't like the feel. Still holding it relatively high. Just need that big surge to come in for the 62 break, which it might happen on this new candle. Still holding it there, buyers are coming in. Stop it at 61.7. Now we're in the green. A couple trades, which is nice. NBTS looks like it might be holding over 80 again. I think we get another big
bigger depths.
lower wick here. Some of these previous bigger dips sucked right back up. I think we might do the same thing here. Let's see. New candle. Held 61.5 there, pretty good. I like that buy, actually looking to ride it up. No, take our, what was that, 1 cent? Oh, a third of a cent.
Bebop on PMAX.
VWAP dip here. Oh, I'm adjusting my size. I should have been adding there.
Why did I sell?
I think that thing sucks all the way back up. Well, I messed up because I made a lot more money on it. Don't know why I'm in on any of these other ones. I was right on everything else except for PMAX, so. Ah, I guess that is all the trades I have.
But
What am I doing? But yeah, made a quick 70 bucks on PMAX. It sold off for a little bit, and then let's see, where was I trading it? Right here. Oh, here. But yeah, was able to take advantage of it pretty well. Made about 200 bucks on that. End of the day, 175 bucks. So hopefully we get some better movement tomorrow. I've been asking for that for a while. But game plan, since there probably won't be, is just same thing as Friday. I don't need to try to force. I don't need to try to force shit. If it's looking bad, then just accept it as bad, and I'll just hang out and be super defensive. So, yeah, we'll find something though. See you tomorrow. Peace.